This is a free core treadmill that we're in the middle of remanufacturing. As you can tell, if you want to come down inside to see what we do here under the motor, every single machine here, as you can see, this pretty much looks new inside. Very different than what you would see on something that is 10 years old. And then there's some parts that we replace standard on these, no matter what. Basically on every machine, every treadmill we do, this motor here, we're gonna take this apart and replace the bearings inside the motor, since that's generally the wear point of the motor. This right here is the incline motor. We're gonna re-grease the incline motor completely. On every single machine, you wanna come over here, these are the rollers here. There's rollers in the front and the rear of the machine. On every single treadmill, we're gonna replace the bearings in the rollers. And the last thing, every single treadmill is gonna get a new drive belt right here and a new walking belt. That's every single treadmill. Along with this, on every machine, we make sure that it has the most updated software. So what this will do is it'll clear out any changes the previous owner made to the machine. So it basically is gonna default to the factory settings. So those are a couple things we do for the refurbishing process. Anything that is wrong, what our techs are gonna do is we're gonna make a list of parts needed, place an order request form, and get those parts going. While those parts are in motion getting ordered, we're gonna go to our paint booth. With this treadmill, you can see we stripped the machine down to bare metal. It's been completely sanded and completely repaint every metal and plastic part, and also make sure to clean everything up so it looks brand new. Already has lots of new parts back on it. Right now, we're in the final testing process and putting it back together. We also ship and install machines nationwide. Our goal is when you get it, you're not gonna notice the difference between a remanufactured machine and a new machine. It's gonna be like new with a 1-year warranty standard with extended warranty options for up to 5 years. That's potentially longer than a new warranty at a much better price.